Welcome back to the Home Solutions channel. I'm Rebecca, and today we're going to dive into an essential topic: tactics bad contractors use to get their hands on your hard-earned money. By arming yourself with knowledge, you can avoid falling into their traps and ensure a smooth and trustworthy experience with your contractor. You might be wondering, how do we know this is what contractors might do when they enter your home? Well, it's because we used to do it. These tactics are still widely used across the industry today, but we realized that using them didn't align with who we wanted to be as a company. So we moved forward and made it our mission to educate everyone on the products and services we provide to ensure that our clients are comfortable and excited for their home remodeling project. So let's unveil these sneaky tactics and empower you to protect your investment. Let's get started. Our first tactic is the pressure to make an on-the-spot decision. Some contractors will try to rush you into a purchase, creating a sense of urgency, like you need to do it right now, right this second. But how can you avoid falling into this trap? Contractors that use this tactic typically don't want you to be talking to other companies and getting other and possibly better products. This is a sign they know they don't have the best products for you and they just want your money for themselves. Things this contractor might say: "This deal is only good for today. If you sign with us today, we can provide an additional 15% off your project. What if I was able to get you an additional discount? Take the leap and just start your project now. What's stopping you?" Next up, we have the tactic of claiming additional discounts by calling their supposed supervisor. As a last-ditch effort, the contractor says something like, "Let me call my supervisor and see if we can knock off an additional 10% for you. Would that work?" Then they proceed to call their supervisor or manager, put them on speakerphone right in front of you, and act like you are the best friends with them. They put on a show to you and their supervisor, who's in on the act, by the way, and pretend this is the first time they've ever done this, when in reality, this is a rehearsed bit they use on almost everyone, and they even use it in their training. This is an attempt to make you feel special, like you're the one that they make exceptions for, but really, they just want to pressure you to make an impulsive decision and give them your money. Things this contractor might say: "I might be able to get an additional discount. Hey, I'm not usually allowed to do this, but let me give my manager a call. Let's see what we can do." Our third tactic involves the establishment of fake trust and a buddy-buddy act. Bad contractors may try to be overly friendly to gain your confidence. How can you distinguish between genuine trust and manipulation? When a contractor is acting all buddy-buddy with you, they're trying to make you feel like their best friend, so you trust them and give them your money, obviously. If a contractor talks about their personal life and yours more than the actual project at hand, this is a red flag. Common courtesy and polite small talk are perfectly normal in any human interaction. But if they continuously talk about themselves and try to relate to you to gain fake trust, do not fall for it. Things this contractor might say: "Oh, I can tell you're a big fan of that. I also love this thing, and actually blah, 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 blah. You know, I love this grill you have in your backyard. Is it new? What brand is it? I think I'm interested in one for myself. How much did it cost?" Moving on to tactic number 4. Contractors who rush through project design to secure your payment fast. How can you ensure your project receives the attention it deserves? When you're about to spend thousands of dollars on a home remodeling project, the last thing you want is to rush through the design process. You want to be fully educated on all options available to you. If you are rushed through designing your project, learning about the installation process, and understanding a contractor's warranty, there's a higher risk of mistakes and wasting your money. If you have questions, do not hesitate to ask. If a contractor rushes through answering or doesn't give a clear answer, this is a total red flag. Things this contractor might say: "Man, adding this upgrade to your windows would go beautifully with your home. It's only an additional 50% of your project. I know you said you want something more like this, but I have the perfect solution for you, and it's way more expensive. There's not much of a difference between this window and that window, so you may as well just go with this choice, which is more expensive and makes me look good." Lastly, we expose the tactic of contractors making it all about themselves and not about you, the homeowner. If a contractor isn't listening to your needs, fakes being buddy-buddy with you, and tries to upsell you on everything, they are making it about them. not you. This contractor does not take your wants or needs into consideration and only talks about how great their company is and how great they are as a salesperson. They most likely also talk badly about their competitors and can't say one nice thing about them. You want the company you work with to listen to your needs and put you first. You need to trust them, and they need to earn your trust. Things this contractor might say, I think this option would be better for you, actually. Definitely do not reach out to this company. They are the worst. They can't do anything right. Trust me, you don't want to go with any other contractor around here. Is that too stupid? Congratulations! You're now equipped with valuable knowledge to identify and defend yourself against these tactics used by bad contractors. For more tips on finding the right contractor, check out the video linked above that provides you with a list of questions to ask a contractor to ensure they have your best interests at heart. Thank you for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want you to have the look you love coming home to.